Hello, in front of me I have WIKO Lenny 5 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, we just need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together for about 2 or 3 seconds. So let's press them. And when this menu appears, that means we took the screenshot. And now we can open our gallery or photos. Photos. And go to albums. Here we have screenshots. As you can see, here's our screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.